Good evening. This is the National Weather Service in Grand Junction, Colorado. Today is Sunday, April 14th, and this is a weather briefing for the period of unsettled weather, bringing significant snow accumulations to the mountains and much colder temperatures once again. This is expected to begin tonight, Sunday, April 14th, and last through until Wednesday, April 17th. For the latest information, check our website at www.weather.gov/GJT. Here is a map of the current highlights in effect as of this evening, which is Sunday, April 14th. We will be discussing the weather over the past 24 hours, as well as the extended period of unsettled weather beginning tonight, Sunday night, and lasting through until Wednesday, April 17th. Significant snow is expected for the mountains. We will discuss it all in the next few slides. Once again, for the latest updates, check our website. The following is a table of the weather that occurred over the last 24 hours. Yesterday evening, which was Saturday, April 13th, a strong cold front quickly moved through the area with strong wind gusts out ahead of it. The peak wind gusts that occurred Saturday evening in the northern and central valleys were anywhere between 45 and 57 miles per hour, with showers developing along this front and behind it. Overnight, through Sunday morning, April 14th, the northern and central Colorado mountains received 6 to 12 inches of snowfall, with some locally higher amounts over a foot in a few areas. The southern Colorado mountains received 2 to 7 inches of snow, and the eastern Uinta Mountains and eastern Utah mountains received 2 to 5 inches of snow, with up to 2 inches for the La Salles and Navajos. The valleys, mainly northern and central Colorado valleys, received a sufficient amount of rain. Some amounts include 0.20 inches of rain in Grand Junction, 0.38 inches of rain in Craig, 0.52 in Colburn, 0.62 in Meeker, and 1.12 inches of rain near Glenwood Springs, 3 miles southeast of town. The majority of the day today, Sunday, April 14th, brought sunny skies, breezy winds, and cooler temperatures. Clouds will increase this evening ahead of the next in a series of systems to bring unsettled weather to the region through Wednesday. The following is a table of the current highlights in effect and impacts involved. Winter weather advisories are in effect for the northern and central Colorado mountains from after midnight tonight, which is Sunday, April 14th, through Tuesday morning, April 16th, as well as the eastern Uinta Mountains in northeast Utah, which is in effect through Wednesday evening. Strong west-southwest flow, deep Pacific moisture, and cold air in place over the mountains will be sufficient to produce significant snow accumulations during this period over the northern and central mountains. 8 to 14 inches of snow is expected in the Park, Gore, and Flat Top Mountains of northwest Colorado, as well as the eastern Uinta Mountains in northeast Utah. 7 to 14 inches of snow is expected for the Grand Mesa, with 6 to 12 inches for the Elks, West Elks, Sawatch Mountains, and the central mountain valleys, including Aspen. It looks like there will be a break in the action late Tuesday morning through early afternoon for most areas as dry air works in and a warm front lifts northward. This happens as a trough of low pressure deepens over the Great Basin and brings a strong cold front and associated trough across the area Tuesday night into Wednesday evening. So this is the potential next system. This will bring colder air and potential for another round of significant snow accumulations for the mountains, with higher amounts in the northern and central mountains. Some locations may see upwards of 30 inches total from tonight through Wednesday evening once this is all said and done. Snow levels look like they will lower to valley floors Tuesday night as the cold front moves through. After the system moves out Wednesday evening and colder air settles in, widespread below freezing temperatures are expected Thursday morning and Friday morning before temperatures warm back up for the weekend. Killing freeze is possible in many valleys, so take precautions and protect those sensitive plants, crops, and fruit trees if necessary. This concludes the weather briefing for the long-duration storm set to bring unsettled conditions to the area tonight, which is Sunday, April 14th, through Wednesday evening, April 17th. Make sure you check our website at www.weather.gov/GJT for the latest information. You can find us on Facebook or follow us on Twitter and send any reports there. Also check CDOT and UDOT for the latest road conditions by dialing 511 in your state. Thank you for watching.